love with the KLR now?
Yeah.
Is it your favourite bike ever?
I have to get another one.
You're pretty good with those tyres.
Yeah. You didn't change it, did you? How's the bike going?
You know that's illegal. What's happening, James? What's happening?
Just packing up.
Just packing up?
There's a big spider on the bike end.
Big spider?
It's huge.
Oh, yuck. Dare to touch it?
No.
Oh well, that's a good reason to go home then, isn't it?
The spider.
This is Hanging Rock Lookout, just outside of Nundle. Unfortunately James isn't with us anymore. He's not dead. He hurt his foot and he's on his way back to Sydney. So just going to continue on for the next few days by myself. Hey mate, how you doing? This is the campsite. Hope your foot's doing better. Not the same without you. This is Long Point. I gotta look at the camera and not the screen. This is Long Point campground. Got the swag there, tied to the bike, and just one peg for me to hurt myself on in the ground, no other pegs. The ground's so hard, so I had to find a rock and hammer it in there. Got all the stuff in there. Thanks for the pillow, mate. Much appreciated. Everything else is hanging off the bike, just like yesterday. Eating that pull-apart bread, yeah. Anyway. Fucking James, why you gotta hurt your foot? Alright, take it easy, mate. It's out. Get away from my boots. Hey, bud. So it's 3:30 in the morning, and old mate here will not leave my campsite alone. On your way. Good morning. It's the start of day 3. I woke up a lot last night due to all the animals and possum that just continuously wanted to check out the KLR, check out my boots. But yeah, I got up this morning, went down one of these walks. I didn't want to go down the huge long one, but this has still got an amazing view. Can't really say much, doesn't need words, just take it in.
Shut up and sit down.
Alright, that was interesting. Coming down the big mountain range before, looked like it's been recently resurfaced. It was all bitumen, so I was having a bit of fun. I chucked the GoPro on for it, and I was ripping down there, linking some corners together, trying to make it look good for the GoPro, and my rear brake stopped working. I don't use the rear brake a lot on sports bikes when I'm out on the circuit or something like that, but on a dirt bike you're on the rear brake all the time, so it didn't need it too much for down there. But hopefully I just boiled the fluid a bit and it comes good having a rest. What a place to have a rest though. Let me show you this. I'm at Man River Nature Reserve. Oh, my eyes are bloody bloodshot. All right, have a super refreshing. Was not expecting that when I came down the hill. I knew there was a river, but I mean, to get something like this, it's remarkable. Alright, back on the bike.